are you today? Uh, what's brought you in here?
Uh, well, um, actually, I'm here for my headaches. I've had headaches in the last few months with just severe headache,
Mhm.
and yeah, they keep coming back every week. So I don't know what it is. I used to take ibuprofen, but it's not working anymore. So I'm thinking it might be a kind of cancer, really.
Okay. Well, when did the headache start?
And I started, I think, about 3 months ago.
And where is the exact location of the pain?
It's around my eye and across my head, and it's yeah, in my temple and more on this left side.
And can you describe the pain?
Well, it's when it comes on, it's so bad, and it's there about 3 days, and I can't do anything. I can't concentrate. I cannot stand light or noise or anything, and I feel very sick.
Okay. I'm really sorry to hear about the pain. Is there anything that make it better?
I was used to get better with ibuprofen, but not anymore. When it comes, nothing shifts it.
And have you tried anything else except ibuprofen?
Just tried relaxation, and to be honest, the only thing that helps is sleep. And if I just go in a dark room and sleep, when I wake up, it might be a bit better.
Okay, and any other symptom? Morning vomiting,
No, no, I
uh, any paralysis of your face,
paralysis. No, no, nothing.
or speech difficulties?
Now it's just because of the pain.
Okay. And you said that you are worried about cancer, right?
Yes, one of my friends had a brain tumor, and he died last year. He had similar symptoms. He had these headaches, and then by the time they diagnosed him, it was too late for any operation. So yes, I thought maybe I could have an MRI scan.
I can understand your concerns about your headache, but fortunately, based on what you told me and the physical examination, I think that it's likely due to a kind of a headache uh, known as migraine. Uh, what do you know about that?
Oh, I know migraine is because one of my sisters had migraine, and she had that once a month or once every couple of months. But this is
I
happening every week.
Uh, I see, but mm, actually, you don't have any warning sign for having a tumor, and your symptoms is typical of migraine headache, and that at this point, we don't need to do any imaging for diagnosis. I can assure you that it's a migraine headache, okay?
Okay, I just want something to get rid of this pain, doctor. What can I do? I just want a normal life.
Well, let me explain the treatment options. There are two type of treatment options. Uh, some of them are for prevention. Uh, you can, and what is that is very important for prevention is some lifestyle modification because sleeplessness, fatigue, and some kind of food can trigger the headaches, right?
Okay,
Mhm.
okay,
And there are also medications that I'm going to prescribe to you, and uh, triptans are effective
okay.
for treatment of attacks.
Hmm.
And if they are severe enough, we can inject steroids for
Okay,
treatment of your headache. Okay.
right, okay.
Uh, what do you think about that?
Well, yes, I think I would want that one of those medicines. Yes, I think it's very helpful.
Okay.
So how was that?
پیشرفت کرده بودم یه کمی.
Really? Good. Uh, okay. So what's your feeling?
خوب بود.
Good. What's mark out of 10?
Mm, 8.
8. Why not 10?
نه دیگه 10 نه دیگه hesitation و fluency.
Okay. So it was good and 8 out of 10. Okay. So structure چطوری بود؟
خوب بود. استراکچر خوب بود.
Good. پس یعنی purposeful بود و logical. ساین پوستینگ هم کردین و سیستماتیک هم توضیح دادین درسته؟ Okay. So information gathering.
خوب بود.
Okay. Exploring eyes.
اونم اکسپلور کردم دیگه کنسرشو.
Good. Okay. Information giving.
خوب بود. سعی کردم که ترانکینگ و چکینگ هم بکنم.
Okay. چقدر موفق بود chunking and checking؟
اه، کم بود بازم. به نسبت اونی که دیروز برام گذاشتین کم بود.
uh, yeah, the only thing that تنها چیزی که میشه گفت همین chunking and checkingه. شما مثلا اولا okay. The first thing is did you say that why I don't need an MRI scan?
گفتم.
Okay. And after that did you check?
نه.
Okay. So اولین چیزی که میگه okay. I don't think that you need any imaging studies at the moment. All right.
آها.
And then you need to wait and say, well, I say why? Okay, because what you're describing is actually typical of migraine headaches. All right. Okay. Right. So what can I do now? Okay. So there are some different treatment options. Some of them are treating when you get the pain, but if it happens too often, then we can give you some prevention medicines. All right. Okay. And there are also lifestyle modifications that could help, like reducing your platelet or avoiding sleeplessness or tiredness. Okay. Okay. Right. So about the medications, I mean, do you think that these headaches are interfering with your daily life? Yes, they are. Okay. In that case, we can give you some prevention medicines. Okay. Okay. Yeah, prevention medicines are the most commonly used are called triptans, and they only help uh, uh, reduce or stop the pain when you're having attacks. Okay, okay. So they're not prevention, okay? Triptans are not prevention tablets. They are treatment tablets when you get the headache. Prevention tablets are beta blockers, I think tricyclics, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
calcium channel blockers. اونا فهم کن که اونا رو هر شب باید بخوره دیگه ها هر روز هر شب باید بخوره. Okay, so that is different. That's prevention medicine. But triptans are not prevention medicines. They're actually used when you're having a headache.
Mm-hmm.
اوکی پس اینجوری در واقع chunk and checking منظور اینه که in the small chunks really choose one two sentences and وقتی میخواین موضوع رو عوض کنین یا آیتم رو عوض کنید مثلا شما یک و دو و سه دارین سه تا آیتم رو میگین for each item you need to pause and check. You need to give the patient time to absorb and to understand and to raise questions if they have any. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
آخر سرم که میگین is there anything else you would like to know? No, thank you. Okay. Right. ولی خیلی خوب بود یعنی به غیر از به قول شما یه سری hesitation و grammatical mistakes دیگه مشکل دیگه نبود. اوکی